Hello, parents and student. For grade 9, student and parents, I'm Dr. Boone or Mr. Boone, whichever you want to call it. I am recording this video mainly for grade 9 parents and students, and for the PTC, and to make it easy for you and me. So this is actually trying to get you to understand how I carry out my teaching on a daily basis at KCIS. So basically, let me show you, right? So, um, you can see here, all right? Right now, if you go on to and like I'm teaching two grade 9 classes, but I'm using one of them as example. If you log in as student, once you log in, like one of the student, once they log in, they will be able to see what I am on displaying right now. If they go down to modules, right, they should be able to see chapter 1, 2, and AMC 10, right? These three tabs. Right now, we are going through, I think we have finished it, chapter 1, and you can see here, basically, you'll be able to see essential questions basically will be uh, the key questions for that particular chapter. So for module 1 basically is how are points, lines, segments used to model the real world. Okay, so we come back to here. Chapter 1.1 basically on on average in theory typically on chapter 1.1 we one lesson is we each 80 minutes lesson we will be able to cover uh one subsection. Chapter 1.1 is one subsection. All right. So you can see here chapter 1.1, basically this is the learning target, the vocabs. It has also the example. See the examples, right, with the answers. Now, if you go back to modules again, on there will be practice questions. So you can see here on chapter 1.1 that would be theories and on examples. Practice questions are where students need to do these questions on their notebook. All right, so student would need to copy this and do it on their notebook, and I would check it on irregularly. Um, so grade 9 they do not have on the IXL subscription. IXL subscription is more like they do the math questions on on online, but because all grade 9 students they do not have the subscription, so we have to do it on like notebook, and I will check it. And you can see here like 1.2 here there are a lot of pages, and you can also see this link. And so if the student actually if the student is away or absent from that particular lesson, they can come back to catch up on this video, on this teaching video from YouTube. All right. So going back to here, student will have to do the practice questions. Yeah, this is how I keep track. This is the archive of all chapter 1. All right. And then starting from next week, we will be like doing this chapter 2. All right. So if students are very interested in math and they would like to challenge themselves, they can try AMC 10. AMC 10 stands for American Math Competition Grade 10. So when you look at this, it is basically like uh, it has many years of past papers. So let's say if I click on 2022 AMC 10A, each past paper it has 25 questions, and now I'm clicking one of them, problem 14. This is the 14 question 14. You can see written solution. All right, if student would like to challenge themselves, and that's how you actually do it. All right, and if student prefer video solution, student can click on those.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
You can see here, and there will be 4 minutes of video explanation for that particular questions. All right. So if student would like to do it outside of school time for math, that here is what they can do. So outside of modules, I also plan to do like all my teaching. I will be doing I will be recording on my iPad. So I write on my iPad. So I turn off um my video, so no video is captured, no uh no student or myself is captured in the video. And for I have been trying to record video for grade 9 for because of some technical issues, IT technical issues. Grade 9 has not been working. You can see here, you can't see any recording here. But let me show you this one. This is grade 8. All right. So I will leave student. Okay. And you can see here, hopefully sooner I after resolving the grade 9 class on IT issues, classroom issues, I will be able to record something like this. You can see here 8 times 0. That's basically just voice, my voice, and also like my writing. Okay, so you can see here, right, for grade 9, of course. This is right now what I'm showing you is actually grade 8. You can see here grade 8. Right, grade 8. Grade 9, I have, because of IT issues, I have not been able to record any video right now. But as soon as I manage to resolve IT issues, I will then on like upload onto here so student can have a copy. And if you want to monitor from background, here's how you keep track on. Right, on here is what I provided information to you, and I hope you will find it useful. Yeah. Okay, bye for now.